All right, we'll see you in 10 minutes, Vicki. The former Stoughton police officer accused of killing a pregnant woman appeared in federal court today. He wants his trial moved out of Massachusetts. Farwell is accused of killing 23-year-old Sandra Birchmore nearly 5 years ago. She was part of the Stoughton Police Department's Young Explorers program. Boston 25 News reporter Bob Ward is live outside federal court in Boston. Bob, Farwell has pleaded not guilty to these charges.
Yeah, that's right, Cal. Matthew Farwell's trial is coming up in October, but his lawyers do not want that trial to take place here in Boston. They want it moved to Providence, Rhode Island. They contend that Matthew Farwell cannot get a fair trial in Massachusetts. Former Stoughton police officer Matthew Farwell said nothing in court as his attorney urged a federal judge in an issue of fairness to move his case out of Boston to Providence, Rhode Island. Matthew Farwell is charged with causing the deaths of 23-year-old Sandra Birchmore and her unborn child in her Canton apartment. A medical examiner has ruled Sandra Birchmore's death a suicide. Federal prosecutors believe Farwell silenced Birchmore to prevent her from disclosing their affair, which began when she was 15 years old, and that he staged the scene to look like a suicide. At a change of venue hearing, Farwell's lawyer said Farwell denies the accusation. She said sensational media coverage of the case has made it impossible to find an impartial jury. And pointing to this released video of a hooded masked man that prosecutors allege is Farwell at Sandra's apartment building before and after her death, Farwell's lawyer said media coverage has been inflammatory. Words and imagery together make it impossible for jurors to shed it from their minds, she said.
I think we're taking baby steps towards justice, and we'll get there.
Barbara Wright was Sandra Birchmore's cousin. She wants Farwell's trial to stay in Boston.
The community's outraged by what has happened, by what a law enforcement officer was allowed to do and what he tried to do to a young person. And I'm sure he would probably try to do it again if he could.
Chief Judge Denise Casper heard arguments from both sides. She did not issue a ruling today. She said she wants to give this matter some more thought. Reporting live from Boston, I'm Bob Ward for your local station, Boston 25 News.
More to come, we know, Bob, and you'll be on top of it. Thank you.